Display Form Entries is a WordPress plugin that allows you to display Gravity form submissions directly on the front end of your website using flexible layouts and powerful customization options. In this video, we'll show you how to display specific entries using entry IDs and control how many entries appear per page. Let's get started. Right now, all entries are displayed on the page, but if you want to display only a single entry, you can do that using this feature. To do this, select a specific entry ID. You can see the entry ID displayed here. Now I'm going to choose a specific ID, such as 42 or 36. After selecting the ID, save the page. Now refresh the front end. You can see only one entry is displayed. You can change the ID anytime to display another entry. If you want to restore the default behavior and display all entries again, simply clear the field and save. Now the page displays all entries again using the default settings. You can also choose how many entries should appear per page, such as 5 or 6. Save the page and refresh to apply the changes. Thanks for watching. Display Form Entries makes it easy to display, manage, and customize Gravity form submissions on the front end of your WordPress website without custom development. To learn more about the plugin, explore additional features, or get started today, check out the link in the description below.